Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayudila Yuliawati and I am an English language education student at Brawijaya University. So today, I would like to present my final paper of seminar on ELTA class. So the title of my paper is Self-Directed Learning in Simulation Game to Improve Student Motivation Towards English Vocabulary. So in my paper, I talk about the importance of students' motivation, the importance of acquiring English vocabulary, the advantages of playing digital video game for EFL students, and why do I use The Sims 4 for this paper. So the first one, the importance of students' motivation. So it's related to self-directed learning and of course the digital video game. So self-directed learning is important to build up students' motivation in learning English. And students' motivation may be improved by playing digital video game. So self-directed learning can be done by student by playing digital video game. So it is related, right? To engage, to motivate, to interest the student learning English by playing digital video game. So the second one is the importance of acquiring English vocabulary. So why English vocabulary is important? Because increasing the word count or new vocabulary for EFL students is really important. Because of what? Vocabulary is kind of foundation for us to learn the other skills, such as grammar, reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills of English. And Sahriar Pura and Kafib in 2014, in their paper, found that using digital video games and activities to practice vocabulary may improve students' ability to gain words, promote student interaction, and improve students' motivation. This seems to teach vocabulary learning based on everyday object, act, and everyday situation which are used and learned by students in the game environment, especially words which is related to home, furniture, personal adjective, and basic verbs. So there are the Sims 1, The Sims 2, The Sims 3, and The Sims 4. Why do I use The Sims 4 instead of the older one? Because it is obviously The Sims 4 is the newest package of the Sims series. So the vocabulary, the interaction, the activity is updated more. So as you can see in this table, we have interaction, social life, social interaction in The Sims 4. So this is the example of vocabulary that we can learn in by playing The Sims 4. So after after acquiring this vocabulary, we can interact with it. We can freely interact with it. And the last one is the advantages of playing digital video games for EFL students. So because playing video game is a fun thing to do, so it trigger our brain to be more active. So the second one is the digital video game is one of the factors which make the learner interested, engaged, and also motivated. That is obviously. And the last one, students can study with self-directed learning with their choice of the game. Because students have a different characteristic, so student may choose the different game that's suitable for them to play. So we all know that teenage students nowadays spend most of their time to play digital video games. That's why playing digital video games can be motivate students to learn English vocabulary or any other skills of English. So that's all from my presentation. If you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment below. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.